Hello everyone, this is Dominic. I'm going to do an unboxing video and review of this lamp from BrightTech. First thing I want to put out there is that BrightTech provided this lamp free of charge. However, any of the opinions given in this video are completely mine. So we'll get started. So we'll start by, trying to get the box open. Very nicely packaged. I guess I had it upside down. Let's see. Alrighty, got the box open, so let's take a look. Very nicely packaged. So we have the clamp for mounting it to the desk. It's quite heavy. It's very nice to see. Very not cheap plastic here, that's for sure. Ooh, this is nice and big. Okay, well, I'll leave you again for a minute while I get it out of all the plastic, and then we'll set it up and give a review. Alrighty, so there you can see it sitting on the desk. It's actually quite large. And now I will turn it on for the first time. Oh, very nice and bright. Oh, this is very nice. There's the buttons here, adjust how bright it is. And then the other button, will actually adjust the color temperature. So whether you want closer towards daylight or a bright white light. That's really cool. Of course, full adjustment. I like that the arms are done in such a way that they're pinch free. It moves very nicely. And as you can see by the clamp, holds very securely to the desk. And then finally, we have the magnification lens. Oh, wow. Yeah. Oh, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but that is actually very clear. Alrighty, well, thank you for watching. I'll be sure to put this to the test going forward with working on my miniatures. I've actually needed to get a lamp with a magnifying lens, and then having the added benefits of adjustable brightness and color temperature works very well for me, as I am a miniature painter, among other things. Oh yeah, this works really well. You can see the detail on the model much easier than just holding it in my hand. Well, thank you everyone for watching, and thank BrightTech for sending me out this wonderful lamp for review. I'm sure I will be using it quite a bit. Thanks for watching.